going on, guys? Repairs and reviews here. Finally upgraded my toolbox. I'm going to go through that with you and show you everything, how my layout is and everything I've got. So we'll just get into it here. It's kind of my catch-all drawer. Wallet, keys. Got all my extractor sets, turbo sockets, more extractors, straight flute, spiral flute. These are my bits there. Cheap gloves, nice gloves. Those are really nice, but they're expensive. This is the, I think they call it the extra wide, so it's got the 2 wide drawers, plus the power drawer down here. And it's a little dirty. I mean, I've been using it for the past couple weeks, so. Got my 3/4 drive snap-on, big pry bar, breaker bar, 1/2-inch drive. This is my drive line sockets. All my, pretty much my special stuff over here that I don't really need a full set for. And I've got my torque wrenches. It's a 3/8 drive. And I've got the 1/2-inch right there. Pick this little setup, it's nice. It goes nicely with my impact driver. It's got little magnets in the end that'll hold the sockets. Cordless ratchet. All snap-on. You can't beat a snap-on ratchet. Pretty much all my common sizes I just kind of have sitting to the side here, and everything else is nice and organized. I love this drawer. This drawer here is the main reason I got this box, so I can consolidate all my wrenches that I use daily. Torque drivers. Inverted Torx. Mac. pipe here. I've got a bigger cheater pipe over here. And you really need to get shit done. And this is a part of my setup here. It's an old TV cart from a school. And it holds all my junk. Empty jugs, odd and end stuff. Then I've still got this mounted on the end of my stuff to hold my air hoses and other random stuff. It's actually a creeper holder, but I'm able to lock my hoses up and stuff so they don't walk away. Got the 2235 IR. This is my latest or newest half-inch drive impact. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not impressed. This one is about 8 years old, the MG 725 Snap-on. It's a monster. But I actually dropped it off a truck and it started leaking air out the buttons back here, the forward and reverse button. And that concerned me because I do a lot of suspension work, so I didn't want to have to worry if it was torqued correctly or something was left loose, because the power was affected when I dropped it. So I invested in this one, brand new. I don't see any difference. I honestly think this still has more torque. Then I just happened to come across this. This was actually used, and it was too good of a deal to pass up, and I think it's been rebuilt, but this has been my new go-to. It's quiet, very powerful, and I don't really care if I beat it up, because I mean it's already seen better days. So I think when everything dies, I'm going to go Aircat. This is an Aircat back here. This is the 1600 TH 3/4 drive. That's a monster. Just got my bottle jack. This is what I clean. This is primarily just for injector cups and cylinder heads and stuff like that. That's pretty much all I use that for. Got my air hammer, Matco. I just bought this yesterday. Haven't had a chance to use it, but I could have used this earlier in the week. It's just the Harbor Freight Special. Mac air ratchet, Matco, Mac. This is cool. This actually, you can lift this up here and it will fold front or back to kind of angle the head. That's actually pretty cool, but it doesn't angle it enough to really make that big of a difference, so still nice to have though. Pretty much all Snap-on. Got a Nipex, Matco. Got all my transmission cooler line plugs, and actually made this. It's a special extra long homemade tap for the newer valve covers because they tend to rust. So it actually works out quite nicely. It works just like a tap. It's just homemade. So odd and end stuff. Got my studs here. I think these are for exhaust manifolds. Just kind of hold them heavy bastards in place while you're mounting it. This is actually a serpentine belt tool. It's the best serpentine belt tool that I've found. It's made by Gear Wrench. I think KD makes it too. Yeah, KD, Gear Wrench, I don't know. But that's by far the best belt tool that I've found, at least in my experience. And on to the power drawer. I don't leave this hooked up because I have to roll this box everywhere, but got my three-quarter socket or extensions in here. This is for head bolts. This is for head bolts. Got my battery stuff in here. Drill, light, little impact driver. All my chargers. I can take this cord here, and everything is nice and compact in here into this power outlet up there. So I can take the cord, plug it in back here, and have all my power stuff in the drawer. So that makes that really nice. Kind of sucks because I can't leave it parked somewhere permanently, but you know, whatever. I think that's about it. I've got this block of wood here from Home Depot. It's actually for a Husky box, but I use it to put stuff on. A turbo actually marked it up right here as I was flopping it around on top of here, so you know, it's served its purpose so far, and it was like $19.99. I mean, you can't beat it. So that's pretty much it for the new box. Really like the color scheme, and I got a great deal on it. Seems to have done everything I want it to and more so far, so hopefully it holds up. And this has been Repairs and Reviews. Thanks for watching.